guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we are out at the RV storage lot. As you can see, tons of RVs all around here. I got it in storage right now. Gonna be doing some work on it. Mine is right there, right here. I still got the cover on it. We're not gonna go to Pismo for another week, so I wanted to come out here and do a bunch of these little accessories that I have not had time to put on. So today we're gonna go ahead and put on, let me just flip the camera around. So today we have the mag cap system that actually goes into the bumper, keeps all this, your sewer hose, your stinky slinky as some people call it, keeps it in the actual bumper. So you don't have to keep it in the RV at all. I'm gonna go ahead and install this for you guys today. It's pretty simple, super easy to do. Always definitely wear gloves. This is not a new one, so let's take off the cap there. What you get in the box is a new cap that actually has a threaded end here that'll actually go into your RV hose. I heard some complaints about the magnets weren't strong enough to hold on to the bumper, so it was actually being able to come off the bumper, and some people actually lost their hose. So I don't know if that's true or not, but I went ahead and took their advice. I went and got some new magnets, put some bigger magnets on there, so it's definitely not going to go anywhere. Also in the kit, you get the other side of the bumper. Mine already has one, so I'm just going to hold on to this one. This one's vented. Mine's already vented, so I'm just going to leave this one as an extra one. I'll just keep it on there. Super simple to do. You can see this is threaded here. Basically just lock it into place. I have to. It's hard to do with one hand, but I'll lock it into place and I'll show you guys how it slides in the bumper. All right, guys, we're back here at the bumper. So this thing barely fits in there. This is the other end. This is without the cap on it. Just going to slide that in there. Need this thing all the way in. I got the cap installed here now. Oh, it came off. Okay, we'll just slide it all the way in. I got the cap already on here. And take some finagling to get it on there. And you can see it just snaps into place. So you guys can cruise down the road and don't have to worry about it coming out. Like I said, I put the bigger magnets on there, so you don't have to worry about it coming off. Simply just give it a little pull it right out. Definitely hook up your septic system, stinky slinky, on the go. So it keeps it out of the cab. That's what I really like. You don't have to cover it or anything. Pretty cool design, pretty awesome. I'm definitely gonna keep that on. I'll give you guys a road test on it. We're gonna go to Pismo next week, so I'll see how it holds up. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. And as always, if you guys subscribe, I'll definitely subscribe right back to you. A little trick we do here. So it's give me a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and also subscribe right back to your channel as well. All right, thank you guys.